Okay, out of all those belts, I basically found one that fit perfect. A49.5 or 4L515. Now, bad thing about it is, it's correct on the length. Let me show you here. That's with the adjustment of the belt done. It's not fully adjusted all the way. And then when you pull, you can see that it tightens up on the pulleys. So there's still plenty of room here for it to not burn up. Bad thing about it is it's not an aramid belt. This is made by a company called D&D. It's a DuraPrime. I got it off of Amazon. I'll put it in a link. I'm getting ready to use this tiller and see if it's working. I did find some 515 length aramid belts. They were about $18 on Amazon. I'm going to try to find them locally and see if they're any cheaper, because I know belts off of Amazon, they're kind of hit or miss. But Amazon didn't have any aramid belts in this length. So again, it's an A49.5 or a 4L515. That means it's a 51.5 inch belt. That's kind of the problem I was having. I had 51 inch belts that are too short and 53 inch belts that were too long. So that's kind of like a little bit in between.